Okay, so what team am I talking to now?
We're Team Cambridge Technology.
All right, Team Cambridge Technology, and your guys' names?
I'm Alex Sharon. This is
Evan Case.
Evan Case, and what did you guys place this year at the Fall Symposium?
Placed third.
Hey, third place, congratulations, top 3.
Thank you. Bronze medal.
Hey, it's still a medal. Now, for those who don't know, can you just give me a brief summary of your guys' project?
Cambridge Technology develops laser beam steering solutions, and one of the problems that they have is their physical scanning apparatus is stationary and it induces a fixed plane in which their product is usable within. So our job is really to incorporate the use of linear slide and stepper motors to actually make this scan head movable and dynamic in scanning range. So that's really what we're working with.
So in a really high-tech way, you're inventing the wheel.
Yeah.
You could say that.
A way to move a thing from side to side.
Exactly. Now, what's your guys' favorite part about doing the Capstone program, being a part of ELECOMP?
Really, it's the fact that when we get a problem, we don't immediately know the solution. Nothing comes easy to us, and we always have to struggle to get to a solution, but that's the fun part of being an engineer, especially in the ELECOMP design program where problems are real world, they have implications, and you can see the result when you figure it out.
Perfect. Speaking of the real world, I know you guys are working with an employee of Cambridge. How is that compared to working with a professor?
It's nice because instead of having someone leaning over your shoulder and then he looks at your answers and gives you a grade, it's instead you are trying to be impressive and make a good impression on these actual real engineers who are pushing the industry and pushing technology forward, and you get to make a good impression on these guys, and hopefully if you make a good enough impression, they might give you a job afterwards.
Well, of course, employment's always a great end game to this, especially because you're working on the project for so long, 2 whole semesters. I know right now we're just in the fall, but how do you guys think your project's going to be looking in the spring for the summit? Going to have it all completed?
Yeah,
absolutely.
We're optimistic. We're definitely optimistic. It's been fun to work on, and we want to keep working on it until we get it there, really.
Awesome, that's great. Now, just real quick, if somebody, let's say we have a freshman, or maybe say you're going back to school, let's say you're back being, your freshman year coming in, would you recommend ELECOMP to a freshman version of yourself or a new student?
I would have to. I mean, it's a good program, you get fed every Tuesday, and you do actually get to, as opposed to several other engineering fields like mechanicals and biomeds, they just get projects from professors or the school puts them together. But this, you're working with actual companies. You get a real budget to work with, you get a real problem that is being faced in the industry today, and then of course, as I said earlier, you get some face time with an actual company, and you get to make a good, get to impress them and show off what you can do.
Yeah, and you show off so much, you get a bronze medal the first go around. That's great, guys.
Yeah,
hey, congratulations, and I wish you luck in the spring.
Thank you.